Hey, folks. Sorry to make sure it was working there for a second. Just wanted to let you know, hopefully people are trained now, so maybe you'll click on this instead of reading the notes. And I have no way to leave a note on YouTube. So doing this, I just got to let you know that the Seán Gavin show that was scheduled for tonight is needs to be canceled for tonight, and we are postponing that until next week. December 30th, same time, 8 p.m. Eastern time, same channel. It's going to be on YouTube and on Facebook on the Irish Night of Blue channel. Something came up today. Sean's not able to do it, and we just as soon do it next week. So that'll be the last show of the series next week on 12:30, 8 p.m. with Mr. Seán Gavin and hopefully a couple special guests when he's back in Detroit. So I hope these not too inconvenient for you, and you hope you come back and join us next time to check that out. Sorry again, it's not going to happen tonight, but there's some good stuff on Netflix, so you guys can work it out. I hope you all have a very happy holidays and a very Merry Christmas coming up, and have a very happy New Year. I'm sure I'll repeat that one next week. In the meantime, hopefully everybody's having a great, quiet holiday week and relaxing a little bit. Put some Irish music into your plans and relax. And next week, we'll be live here again for the last time, for a little while anyway, with Mr. Seán Gavin. That's going to be December 30th, 8 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, I can't say it anymore, so I'm going to go. Thanks, everybody, and happy holidays. And remember,